watching Daily Market Review with me, Ismailova, Grand Capital Financial Analyst. Today, as usually, we are going to start with our first currency pair. Euro-US dollar edges lower towards 1.3405, but Euro bears remain dominant. A push below 1.3405 is expected to expose their October 10th high low at 1.3346, which is the last line of defense protecting the October 4th reaction low at 1.3145. Monday's high at 1.3815 has been confirmed as a lower high and has generated a downward equality target at 1.3051. Corrective gains are limited to the 1.3626 area, which is protected by 1.3557. Weekly chart Euro-US dollar trend is bearish. The next currency pair is US dollar Japanese yen. This currency pair becomes range-bound, but the low of the 76.81-77.54 range is expected to come under fresh pressure. The dominant US dollar bear wave has scope to extend into fresh two-week low. Below 76.81, exposing 76.5 note and a 1.618 Fibonacci extension target at 76.18. A recovery above Thursday's Asian session high at 77.09 is required to lift the tone, opening 77.26. Weekly chart US dollar Japanese yen trend is bearish. Intraday Great Britain pound US dollar. Wednesday's push into fresh four-week lows brings the focus onto 1.618 Fibonacci extension targets at 1.5672 and 1.5652. Tuesday's push below 1.5869 completed a rectangle pattern and upgrades the Great Britain pound bear wave from the October 31st reaction high at 1.6167. The height of the rectangle creates downside risk to 1.5616. Corrective Great Britain pound gains are limited to the 1.5872 area. Weekly chart Great Britain pound US dollar trend is bearish. Our next currency pair will be US dollar Swiss franc. This currency pair continues to push higher, as the short-term US dollar bull trend is set for more gains to 0.9290, and the October 6th reaction high at 0.9317. This week's push above 0.9153 has been sustained, creating scope for a 1.618 Fibonacci extension target at 0.9405 on concerted US dollar strength. Corrective weakness will attract support while above 0.9152 and only below there would concern US dollar bulls. Weekly chart US dollar Swiss franc trend range. And our last currency pair for today is Australian dollar US dollar. The fresh 5-week low at 1.0021 during Thursday's Asian session is expected to be breached. The breaker below 1.0052 creates downside risk below parity towards projected support at 0.991, and Monday's confirmed lower high at 1.0347 suggests weakness as deep as 0.9645 is possible on concerted Australian dollar bear pressure. Regaining ground above 1.0125 would provide respite, although resistance at 1.017 and 1.0201 is likely to cap corrective gains. Weekly chart Australian dollar US dollar trend is bearish. You have watched Daily Market Review with me, Ismailova. See further details on our site, grandcapital.net. I'm wishing you good trade and see you later.